Susie here. My face is not in the shot. I am here. But I have actually just gotten a package in from Amazon earlier today, and I wanted to basically unbag it, unbox it with you guys. I got another handbag from Amazon, and I honestly have like the biggest pimple on my forehead right now. So I just don't want this video to be associated with like Susie's giant forehead pimple forever. So I just thought I would show you guys and showcase the actual bag itself. So I did get this in from Amazon, and this is the Cluci vegan leather crossbody bag. So I wanted to show it to you guys. So let's open this. So this is gonna be my third purse purchase from Amazon. I have really been enjoying a lot of the bags that I've gotten from Amazon, and this is hopefully going to be another that I really like. So this says Cluci crossbody bags ladies shoulder bag. So let's open this up. The Lola May bag that I got from Amazon, the little like shoulder bag, I really like that one. I also got a red one. I can't remember the brand name of that one anymore, but I really like that one. I've been wearing it. And then I wanted something that was a little bit more understated, a little bit more of like a natural color, something that I could wear, you know, to work and stuff, a little bit roomy, something like a little crossbody. And so I got one. So this is the Cluci vegan leather crossbody bag, and this is in the shade, I think it's coffee or deep coffee, and this is what it looks like. So the shade is pretty nice. It does kind of have almost like a little shimmery effect to it, and it's supposed to be vegan leather. This is $29.96. I think it's $29, which isn't bad, honestly. It's not a bad price, but yeah, let's take these off. So I believe it has an adjustable strap, and I did pick out this color because I liked this shade the best. It was something, I kind of wanted something a little bit like a brown. So this is the shade, and here is the strap. Now, this definitely doesn't feel as soft and luxurious in the feel of the bag as the red one that I got. This one does have a bit more of like a faux leather feel for sure. It definitely doesn't feel like vegan leather. Take this little sticker off here. It does say Cluci right here, C-L-U-C-I. That little plastic thing is really lodged in there. And then you have the little zippers, which do have a little C on them. There is a functional pocket right here, which you can open. That's cute. Then it's got another little pocket right here. Not super big, but I mean enough where you could probably fit like a phone, you could fit some keys, you know, just like a little, maybe like a little address book. We do have the straps, and then on the back you do have another pocket right here, which is pretty nice, and then the inside kind of looks like that. Has a C on it. Adjustable strap with the gold hardware. Everything on it is the gold hardware. And then let's open it up. So it does open all the way across. It's got some of those little weird things in here. And that is what the inside looks like. And then it's got a little tag here. It says Cluci, I guess that's how you say it. There is a pocket in the back, right there. And it's a pretty decent size. I mean, it pretty much goes down to the bottom of the purse, so you can definitely fit something in there. And this purse is a pretty good size. I mean, this is about as wide as it is. So you could fit, you know, pretty good amount of things, probably a tablet. Here in the front, we do have a really nice big pocket right there that you can stick your phone or something else in there. There isn't like a divider or anything inside. It's just the one pocket, but still not bad. It's pretty roomy. You know, it looks probably smaller than it is, but yeah, it's a pretty good size. I mean, here's a bottle of lotion, the one I got from the Dollar Tree, and you can see that this purse is bigger than that. So this is like it's a pretty decent size. And yeah, pretty nice. You can fit quite a lot in there. Now, obviously, I'm not like dressed for, you know, trying it on, but I'll try to just kind of show you guys what it looks like. Let me raise you up a little bit. So, I am wearing my pajamas, but this is what it looks like. So this is pretty long right now. I would definitely need to adjust it. So I'm gonna adjust it real quick. Pick it up a bit. I like my purses right probably about there. That would probably be about where I would like it personally. So, and then there is one more strap. So it comes with this many, it's a pretty long strap. And I have it on the second from the top right there. So I'll put this through the hoop here. And then it is nice because this one at least has a second one so that I can kind of put that down, and then, you know, it keeps it kind of more sleek looking. It's not just kind of hanging, flapping there. I've had that issue with some of the other bags. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, that actually feels pretty good. In fact, I could even have it up just a tad bit more, but this is definitely better. So that's what it looks like. In the light, you can see how it is a little bit shimmery. And it doesn't feel like vegan leather, but it doesn't feel bad either. It definitely feels sturdy, and it does feel like it would be a good, you know, durable type material. That's the other side, and then it does have this little tag, which just really has like a serial number on it. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. I can't wait to put my things in it and be able to use it. This is going to be a lot nicer sometimes than having to carry like the, you know, handbag or with the straps. And this one doesn't come with any shorter straps. It's just the one long strap. But you can also wear it crossbody. So that's what that looks like. Let me raise you up a bit. Okay, so you can wear it crossbody like this too. And that's actually super comfortable. Really comfortable. Feels good. And this would actually be a perfect length for me, even crossbody. So this is a good size. You could, you know, wear this on the airplane, if you're going on a trip, a vacation. Did come in other colors as well. There was many shades. I just happened to pick this shade because I really do like it. But yeah, I like the crossbody option. This makes it easier. You can definitely kind of use your hands a little bit more, and it's really cute. And you can wear it that way, or you can just wear it the plain old way. I like it either way, but yeah. So this is the bag. This is the Cluci little shoulder bag. Very cute, and I do really like it. So if you guys are interested in this, I will leave a link to the Amazon item down below. You can purchase it on Amazon. It is $29. It's a little bit pricey, but honestly, I feel like it's a very good deal. I think it's a nice bag. It feels pretty durable, and there was a lot of very positive reviews on it as well. So I think it's definitely worth it. I mean, I think it's a good price. And I think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it. I like how this strap has this other little loop here so that it keeps this nice and sleek looking. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. If you are interested in this, I will leave a link to it down below. I don't have a discount code or anything like that, but I will leave the link down below. And let me know if you guys do end up picking it up. I would love to hear, you know, what you think about it. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I can't wait to go put my things in it. And I'm going to be getting some use out of this. So definitely stay tuned if you guys want to see more videos. If you like seeing these Amazon purse reviews, let me know, because I am always looking for new purses. So, and Amazon, I love Amazon for purses. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe for further videos like this from me. See you guys in the next one, and take care. Good night.